Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to unbox for you the TPLink AC1900 Wi-Fi router. The model number that this goes by is called Archer C80 and it promises a speed of up to 600 Mbps on the 2.4 gigahertz band and up to 1300 Mbps on the 5 gigahertz band. That of course will depend on the type of internet connection that you have. So let's go ahead and open up the box. It's got 4 antennas and full gigabit ports. Alright, so what we have in the box right here is the router at the top with the 4 antennas, as you can see, and there's an adapter for the router. First impressions, it's pretty lightweight. Let me go ahead and remove the cover. It's got a nice mesh-like design which gives a good texture. Let's look at the back. At the back you have the wall mounting groove, so if you want to mount it on a wall you can use a couple of screws and attach it to the wall as well. You have some technical information and the model number right here, along with the Wi-Fi pin and the network name, which of course you will change, or you should always change when you configure this router. You don't want to use the factory provided network name and password for your network. The antennas of course can be rotated and adjusted for better coverage across different angles. You can even place the router standing up to some extent, but it doesn't balance itself pretty well, so it's going to topple over. So this router has got to be placed either flat like this, or if you want to keep it vertical, then you're going to have to wall mount it. Let's look at the ports at the back. You have the power button, the adapter connection, the WAN connection, and 4 LAN ports, along with a reset button and the WPS configuration button right here. Now looking at the power adapter, this is a 3-pin type that I have. Depending on the country of purchase, you might get a different type of power adapter. The voltage input voltage support is 100 to 240 volts, so you can use it across different countries which have different voltage inputs. Along with all of this, you have the quick installation guide that you can use to configure the router, and an additional info card that you can input your network name and password and login account on once you update this while configuration. So you can save this here, although I don't recommend it. You don't want to save your passwords where someone else could easily read it. And then lastly, in the box you also have a LAN cable, which if needed you can always use. Overall, nice looking, premium looking router, very lightweight. In the front it has few display indicators that you can see, which once you configure and power on the router, you'll be able to see the LEDs here. I got this for around rupees 2,800 from Amazon India. It was on sale. The link to purchase this is available in the video description. You can check out this model. Let me know in the comments your feedback on how you like this router and what your experience of using this router has been like. Do leave a like on the video and do subscribe to the channel.